Some people say it takes up to 3 years to find this combination, so I was so surprised to get this so soon. So if you're interested to know what combination I got, please stay with me for the unboxing. Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name's Clara Z and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So as you can see from today's thumbnail, I'm going to do an unboxing. So from the thumbnail, you can already tell what type of bag I got, but can you guess the combination? So let's unbox this together. So in the box, there is a care booklet. But of course, I think all of you are curious to know what combination I got in here. So are you ready? It is the color black, but can you tell what type of leather this is? It is none other than the Mini Constance in the black box leather with gold hardware. Let me remove the covers here. So here it is. Isn't it beautiful? It's got such a pretty shine. So here is the front, the side, and it still has the two gussets here. The back, the other side, and the bottom, and here is the gold hardware. I haven't removed the stickers yet. So that opens like this. So you can see here it says Hermes Paris, made in France. So you can see it has two gussets with a back pocket here and another interior pocket along the front there. I'm not sure if you can see that very well. And it's got the smooth leather inside on here. It feels a bit like Swift. And it is absolutely gorgeous. The shine on this is absolutely stunning, and you can see the essay was really nice. She did up a twilly for me and she braided it just under here and she twisted it all the way to the end and double knotted it on the other side, so I can also use this as a top handle. And the nice thing about doing it this way is that I've seen some people twist it together with this part. However, I've heard that it could put stress on this side of the strap, so this is a wonderful way of using this as a top handle. So are you surprised? Were you able to guess this combination? So actually I really wanted something in the black box leather, but as some of you know, I already own the Kelly 25 in this beautiful goat skin. So you can see that kind of side by side. They both have a really beautiful shine. However, the shine, as you can see, is slightly different. This one is slightly more of a shine and this one is more of a matte shine. So they're both beautiful. However, as much as I would love a black box Kelly, I felt it would be too repetitive, and hence I thought it would make sense to get this in the Constance leather. Now I've heard some people say that it could take years before you find this leather, the black box, in any of the bags. For example, I know one girl who waited 3 years for a black box Constance, and so I just kind of put it in my wish list knowing that it might take a very long time. But I was so shocked when my SA called me and said, I have something for you. And I was definitely not expecting a bag, and I was so shocked she was able to find me this black box Mini Constance, and she was telling me it really depends on the batch. Sometimes they do make a patch that season and you are able to find it. However, if they don't make black box that season, sometimes it's really hard to find. Now, as some of you know, the Constance now comes in the size 24 with the single gusset. However, my essay was telling me that she's never really seen box in the size 24, although I think I've seen one online. However, it really didn't matter to me because I really just wanted to have something in this leather because it was just so gorgeous. So when this became available in the Mini Constance size, it was a no-brainer for me. And the nice thing about the Mini is that I still think that this is a better size for crossbody because the strap is slightly longer, and maybe towards the end of the video I will put some modeling shots. So you may wonder why I got the Mini Constance bag. A lot of you guessed that I would get the Kelly 28, which is also still on my wish list. However, I felt that this was a very special bag because I wanted something a little different. I wanted in box, and I've also recently learned that this bag is actually really hard to make, simply because I've just learned that the corners are apparently very hard to make because it has rounded corners. And I've also learned from my essay that this upper flap is also really hard to make because when you open the bag, the inside should not crease, and it's extremely hard to be able to make this bag without creases along the interior flap. So I thought that was quite interesting. However, I think this makes a very beautiful casual type of weekend bag. Just sling it over the shoulder, and something you can just carry your essentials, just kind of grab and go. So something I'm also interested in knowing is that if you have this bag, do you have any protection for your bag? For example, I know that scratches can easily get on this H part, so I'm wondering if you have stickers for that, and if you do, what brand you use. I have ordered from 1 or 2 brands, and we'll see how that goes. And I also am considering to get an insert or organizer. And it's quite funny because I have a colleague who also has the Hermes Mini Constance, and she said, the bag is so small already. Why do you want an organizer to make it even smaller? So I'm still undecided on that. I might get something super thin and see how that goes. However, because the bag is black, I may just be more careful and put my makeup and other items in small pouches. So I haven't really made up my mind yet. But if you use an insert or any covers for the H, please do let me know what your thoughts are on this bag. So I haven't had a chance to use this bag yet, so maybe I will post a review later, but let's just put this on for you so you can see what it looks like on me. So here it is on me, and I have just shoulder carried it, and it drops a perfect length. It kind of lands right at the hip, and I am approximately 163 centimeters. And let's just crossbody that. And also it is a perfect crossbody length. You can see it also lands close to my hip area. So I think this makes a wonderful crossbody or shoulder bag. And of course, I can also double this up. So here it is double up, and I can quickly sling that over my shoulder, and it's quite comfortable.
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
Sorry.
It's all good.
The annoyances of Siri. I apologize for that. And finally, I can hand carry it like this, and I can put my arm through that, no problem, and put that on the crook of my arm. But by far, I think my favorite way is to carry this crossbody. Just like this. And I can put that behind me also. So that is my ad hoc unboxing of my Mini Constance in the black box leather in the color black or noir with the gold hardware. So I'm going to try to use this for a couple weeks, and once I've had a chance to use the bag a bit more, I will come back to you with a review. But if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. And if you've enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. I will put my account somewhere here down below. Once again, thank you for joining me on my unboxing, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Have a fantastic week. Bye bye now.